All right, folks, we're back here at the High V Tower camera in Springfield looking at a sunny sky outside. No clouds in sight. Let's hold on just a bit. There was one cloud earlier right over my right shoulder. Here it is, but that is just about all I can see out there. Might see a few clouds pop up through the daytime today, but generally a nice day outside. Already 60 degrees, northwest winds, a little breezy at times, but around 10 miles per hour. Might get closer to 15 miles an hour for this afternoon. Temperatures across the area in the low 60s to upper 50s for some. 63 Branson, a little warmer in northern Arkansas in the upper 60s there. 67 in Harrison, 66 Mountain Home. Meanwhile, we got some 50s still across the north, but everybody's going to be in the 60s, close to 70 in some areas for today. We had some rainfall last night. It was really just some sprinkles, some light rain showers, and that is long gone. Really didn't see that much. And again, a few clouds moving into central Missouri and west central Missouri, but generally a sunny day. Full sun, especially down to the south. Our storm system that came through with that front last night, it's right here making its way over the Great Lakes. Here's your cold front now going down all the way down to portions of Alabama is where it's starting to get into. Still fairly weak, not producing that much moisture for those folks there either. All right, Hurricane Norma is a Category 4 storm, as we were talking about. Expected to be Category 4 for today, and then tomorrow it would weaken down a little bit and then make landfall on the Mexican coastline and the Pacific, so the West Coast, on a Sunday night, Monday morning, somewhere in that time frame early next week. But some of that moisture, believe it or not, is going to try to make its way through Texas, through Oklahoma, and might get here to the Ozarks just a little bit. So we'll have a touch on that in just a minute. Looking at futurecast in the short term, again, a few clouds out there, certainly possible, especially off towards the north and east and central Missouri. But generally a sunny or mostly sunny day for today. Tomorrow rolls around. We got another good one there. Sunshine, 70s. A weak front comes through on your Saturday. But again, it will hardly be noticed as it's a pretty weak one coming through, and then still looking sunny and still looking nice. Saturday rolls around 73 degrees, nice and sunny, 46 for an overnight low. Saturday night to Sunday morning, we'll do low 70s again for your Sunday. So still nice back-to-back, great looking weekend. If you have any plans this weekend, pumpkin patch, hayride, whatever you want to do, corn maze, this is the great weekend to get that stuff done. So that's the weekend. We got this high pressure, this area of ridge starting to build up just a little bit, keeping our weather quiet. Might try to have some energy sneak in for Monday. Pretty slim chances there, though. Here's Norma. This is looking at Wednesday and a Thursday of next week. The moisture from Norma begins to creep on in, up. It does get swept into the jet stream. Storm 3 moves on in. This will be the one we're watching for the middle to end of next week. Right now, it looks like next Thursday, maybe next Friday, possibly into next Saturday as well for the weekend. Could be seeing some pretty good rainfall out of this, and that'll be for Storm 3. Might linger around again through the weekend, and then that'll be just about it. Early estimates, okay? So don't take this with a grain of salt. Don't go to Vegas on this. 1 to 2 inches certainly possible across the area as we end next week. So we're dry the next 6 days, nice in the 70s, and it's not until next Wednesday, next Thursday, next Friday that we get some moisture in here, and it could be good moisture, guys.
A little bit of rain to keep us honest out there, but we're going to enjoy this mild forecast while you're giving it to us, Tom. Thanks.